Okay friends, just open your menu, then go to settings application, then select display and touch. Then you can see option of enhanced HDR brightness. Click on that, the sender. Then you will get this page. Then you can click here to activate this option, use enhanced HDR brightness. And also you can control the intensity, how much it will be activated whenever you're playing an HDR content on your device. So it will be helpful for controlling HDR brightness on YouTube and some applications. So it is one of the very useful applications. Sometimes we are watching the phone at the night and you are scrolling through different videos, then suddenly HDR video come in and the screen brightness will be get full. So it is irritating. So you can easily control this by using, you can one time you can simply turn off this feature. Otherwise you can simply adjust the intensity of light increasing or decreasing, that how you like it. So one of the most beautiful feature I've ever seen on an Android phone. It is one of the coolest feature. So I'm also think that it is only, I see that it is only in Pixel devices, but actually it is need all of the devices like Samsung and other mobile phone manufacturers which are using Android device, Android OS. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.